Hello everybody. Okay, I hope you know who I am. I'm Sensei Ong, alright, your teacher for the video lessons today. Okay, now, I've been thinking, some of you might have seen my videos previously. I hope you like it. So this is going to be our first video of the year, alright, and I've been thinking I'm going to do something different. You see, in the past, I used to draw in my left hand, right, and I do not know what to do with my right hand. So I thought, hey, why don't I use a mic so that you can hear properly? And now I know what to do with my right hand because I can hold the mic with my right hand. Does it make sense to you? Okay, let's see if this works. Let's see if the volume gets better. Okay, let's go back to the lessons, video lessons of the year, the first of the year. Now I have here, we're going to learn about the transfer of energy. I have here this diagram here. We got the sun, the plant, lamb, and the wolf. Now we know that the sun is the main source of energy, okay, for all living things. Okay, sun is the main source of energy. The plant gets its energy from the sun. Okay, plant make food using light. The process is called photosynthesis, which we will learn in the next lesson. The plant makes its own food. It gets energy from the sun. And we also know that we get our energy from the food that we eat. Animals need energy too, right? So look here, the lamb. Lamb is a plant eater, and lamb gets its energy from the plant because lamb eats plant. So there's a transfer of energy from the plant to the lamb. Okay. It doesn't stop there because lamb becomes the food of something else, which in this diagram it shows a wolf, big bad wolf maybe. So the wolf eats the lamb, and the energy is transferred from the lamb to the wolf. Can you all see that now? First, sun, light energy, which helps the plant to make food. Okay. Lamb gets its energy from this plant because the lamb eats plant, and then energy is transferred from plant to lamb, subsequently from lamb transferred to the wolf. Okay, I also mentioned that in my lessons in class, what happens if we do not have the sun? Some of you will already guess the answer. If we do not have the sun, you see here, the plant will not be able to make food because there's no sunlight, no light energy. Without light, it cannot make food, which you will learn in next lesson. May not make sense to you right now. Probably it does to some of you. But anyway, plants will not be able to make food. So all the plants will not live, right? Without plants, will there be food for the lamb? No. Okay, and lamb will die as well. And without lamb, there'll be no food for the wolf. So all the meat eaters will have no food again. So what is going on is, without the sun, I'm just emphasizing why sun is the main source of energy, because main source of energy, I hope you all spot the mistake here because you have spelling error, it's main source of energy. Because without the sun, okay, there will be no life form. Plants cannot make food. Lamb cannot find any plants to eat, and wolf will not be able to find any lamb to eat. There will be no life form. So we know that the sun is the main source of energy. I'm going to draw the sun back so everybody is happy. Alright, let's have the sun back, and in turn we will get back energy from the sun to the plant, from the plant to the lamb, from the lamb to the wolf. Alright, I want you to see the transfer of energy. Alright, plant to lamb to wolf. Now the first question of the video lesson. Which of this organism, okay, plant, lamb, wolf, gets its energy gets its energy directly from the sun? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think. Alright, and then you come up with the answer for me. Ready? Which of these, plant, lamb, wolf, gets its energy directly from the sun? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got the answer? I think you're right. Most of you have gotten the answer. Well done. Alright. Answer is the plant. The plant gets the energy directly from the sun. Okay? Now, next question. Okay, let me erase directly. A little bit more tricky this time. The plant. Again, we have plant, lamb, wolf. Which of this, plant, lamb, wolf, gets its energy? Now this time, look here. Look carefully. Indirectly from the sun. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now again, based on the diagram here, which of these, plant, lamb, wolf, gets its energy indirectly from the sun? Obviously, it's not going to be the plant, because we just mentioned earlier, the plant gets its energy directly from the sun. Can you see this arrow? Directly. Okay. Which leaves lamb and wolf? Now, without the sun, the lamb will die. We know that, because there will be no plant. So, the lamb indirectly gets the energy from the sun, because it goes through the plant before it gets its energy from the sun. So the lamb indirectly gets its energy from the sun. Likewise, it goes for the wolf. The wolf indirectly gets the energy from the sun. Okay, because the wolf gets the energy from the lamb. Lamb gets the energy from plant. Plant gets energy from sun. So the wolf indirectly gets energy from the sun. If I were to just change the question a little bit, this time directly, it becomes very clear for you as well. Okay, not the sun anymore. Which of this directly gets energy from lamb? Gets energy directly from the lamb. Looking at the diagram, 3, 2, 1, you have gotten the answer, right? The wolf gets energy directly from the lamb. Right? Easy breezy lemon squeezy. Okay, now, so maybe a quick conclusion of what we have learned. The sun is the main source of energy. Without the sun, there will be no life forms. We know that. Okay, the transfer of energy from the sun to the plants. Plant make food. From the plants to plant eaters. Okay, in this diagram, it is the lamb. We can have different types of plant eaters. If you like, I can draw a bull, a cow. You know, some of you, maybe a buffalo. Some of you like that. All right, let me see if I can draw it fast for you. A bull. All right. Some of you like that. Okay. For me, I like giraffe as well. So sometimes I draw giraffe there. A bull. Okay. And then the plant eaters pass on its energy or transfer its energy to the meat eaters, a wolf, tigers, lions. I hope you are able to name examples of all the meat eaters, plant eaters, because those are P3 work. By now you should all be very familiarized with. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson, the transfer of energy. And if you want to, you can read up your textbook once again. Thank you everybody. Get ready for the next lesson.